Alright, let's start with a quick overview before we dive into the nitty-gritty details. Basically, your gut buddies, those microscopic organisms in your tummy, have a real say in how your body grows and operates. And get this, swapping these helpful critters from a healthy person to a not-so-healthy one can do wonders. This method, called fecal microbiota transplant or FMT, is pretty straightforward. It involves using, well, poop. But here's the kicker. Finding really good gut donors is like finding a unicorn. Not everyone fits the bill. However, if you're one of the chosen few, you could potentially make a cool $500 per poop session, raking in around $180,000 per year. The hitch is, finding these unicorn donors and convincing them to sign up has been quite a challenge. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Enter humanmicrobes.org, a fancy project designed to hunt down these rare and healthy folks and hook them up with researchers, doctors, and others in need. Even elite young athletes make the cut. You can either register as a donor or find one on the website. Now let's get into the juicy specifics. I'll make sure to add all the sources in the video's description. Thanks to some amazing tech advances, the world of microbiome research has exploded lately. Think of your gut microbiome as a super intricate ecosystem that we're just scratching the surface of. Fun fact! All living things, including our mitochondria, owe their origins to these teeny tiny microbes. Fast forward to 2018, and it's become crystal clear that these gut microbes have a massive influence on us, even more so than our genes. They're the masterminds behind things like heart problems, obesity, diabetes, and even how our brain works. They can also mess with our mood, behavior, and more through the gut-brain connection. Now, the FDA's got some ground rules. Right now, they only greenlight FMT for specific cases like C. difficile infections when antibiotics aren't cutting it. Honestly, that's a smart move. Giving the go-ahead for FMT in any old situation would be risky business. Not all docs are well-versed in gut stuff, and if you use dodgy donors, it could spell trouble for patients. Once the donors pass the screening with flying colors, they get a $500 thank you note for their contribution. These folks are part of various clinical trials. Sadly, some people who got the thumbs up from a doc are selling their stool on the down low to those who can't find a match. Presently, you've got some docs working with a national stool bank called Open Biome. Others use donors from their own hospitals, while some want patients to bring their own donors. Humanmicrobes.org aims to expand and improve this system, making sure donors are top-notch and reliable. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. It's a fact, less than 0.4% of folks are cut out to be high-quality, safe donors. Finding these gems is like searching for buried treasure, nearly impossible. This makes most of the clinical trials and stool banks dicey and ineffective due to the lack of quality donors. Hey, those top-notch athletes? Their poop could potentially work miracles for average folks and heal various diseases. But here's the catch. We need them to step up and be donors for clinical trials. If they're willing to give a little along the way, even better. Let's chat about some issues in the medical system. Humanmicrobes.org is all about teamwork, including medical pros and researchers. After all, we want a solid info and safety, not wild claims. Ideally, all FMTs would happen in clinical trials with primo donors and medical supervision. But despite years of effort, that's not always the case. I've been collecting and condensing info over at humanmicrobiome.info. It's a hub for experts and regular folks alike, giving them the latest scoop on microbiome research. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!